Imagine transforming your school hall into a buzzing artisan bakery, or your classroom into a professional chocolate atelier. Welcome to our In-School Cuisine Experience Series, where learning is hands-on, structured, creative, and delicious. In every workshop, students put on aprons and step into the world of real culinary skills. From the very beginning, we provide clear step-by-step instructions, engaging visual demonstrations, and carefully structured stages, so every learner feels confident and supported. Each process is broken down into manageable steps, ensuring success from first instruction to final presentation. Students might explore artisan bread making, bagel making, or ciabatta making, discovering fermentation, dough development, and oven science in action. For those inspired by patisserie, we offer chocolate éclair making, crème brûlée making, cupcake making, and fruit tart sessions, guiding students through professional techniques with clear demonstrations and hands-on practice. Chocolate enthusiasts can dive into Belgian chocolate making or chocolate truffle making, while older students can explore ethical chocolate and sustainability enrichment, understanding sourcing, responsibility, and global impact, alongside practical skills. Beyond sweets, students stretch and shape in pizza dough and oven science, press and fill in fresh pasta making, or explore flavours in international cuisine workshops. We also deliver engaging sessions such as taco making, quiche making, pancake and crepe making, and even interactive favourites like lollipop making and marshmallow making, all delivered with structured guidance and clear visual support. For refreshing creativity, students can experiment in ice cream making or smoothie making workshops, learning balance, flavour pairing, and technique step by step. But our experiences go far beyond recipes. Every session builds teamwork, confidence, problem-solving skills, and sensory awareness. Through guided discussion and mindful tasting, students develop vocabulary, creativity, and a deeper understanding of food science and culture. Each workshop is tailored to your school's age group, curriculum focus, and time frame. Whether you're looking for enrichment, STEM integration, cultural exploration, or a memorable celebration of learning. We don't just bring ingredients, we bring structure, we bring expertise, we bring inspiration. From bread to brownies, gelato to gourmet chocolate, we create unforgettable in-school culinary experiences, one clear step at a time. Ready to bring the kitchen to your classroom? Let's cook up something extraordinary.